Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix message request not showing on Instagram. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store app and from here search for Instagram and you make sure that update your Instagram app. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and search for this Messenger app. From here you make sure that update your Messenger app. I am already update, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen. After that, open your Instagram app and from here tap on message icon, and from here you tap on request. Tap on this, and from here hidden request, tap on this, and manage hidden word process, tap on this. And from here you make sure that turn off all toggle. If the toggle turn on, you have turn off, and this toggle turn off hidden message request, turn off, and turn off this toggle hidden comments, tap on this, and this toggle turn off hidden message request, tap on this. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back go back go back here home screen and tap on long press on Instagram and tap on install. After that, you have again install your Instagram app, and I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.